Hello, people. So it's like, watching this series called Tidying Up with Marie Kondo, the KonMari method or whatever. It's like, it's a series of, like, it's a set of 8 episodes that is on Netflix. And, uh, you know, right from tidying up with a family that has toddlers, to an expectant couple, to a gay couple, to a lesbian couple, to a biracial couple. I mean, it was so amazing that this particular series, to empty nesters, to someone who's lost their spouse. So I just like this program was essentially about how to tidy up a place, but it's like they chose a whole spectrum of people to approach to help while filming this series. It's called Tidying Up with Marie Kondo. uh, she's a Japanese lady. So people, it's one of the finer shows that I've seen on Netflix. I mean, practically every show on Netflix is so amazing, but this is like, I was putting off watching it for a while because I don't know the. Um, I mean, there was certain sentiments associated with, the whole. Mm, I don't know. For me, it was almost an emotional experience watching this particular series on Netflix. So, people, whenever you get the time, just watch it. It's called Tidying Up with Marie Kondo. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.